Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be doing the tail lights. Getting rid of the OEM tail lights for Euros. Let's get started. Make sure for safety reasons to unplug the battery. In case you guys are not following, this is my new Mustang to me. A 2014 Mustang GT. Has a Recaro Boss 302 seats. And X-Brace. And of course the 5.0 motor, so let's go. I had these tail lights for a good 3 or 4 years. They've been on every Mustang, 2014 Mustang I've had. I had owned 2 previously Mustangs, 2014, so that's why I still got them. So, alright, let's get to the video. Remove this one, and the other bolt I just already moved, so let's get to it. It ain't too bad, you can just pop it open and push. And then you want to use 7/16, because back here there's 3 nuts you have to get. Kind of hard to see, but hold on. So I got the 3 nuts out, so all you do is just unplug the cord. Hooking the cord, you just push in the thing, wires through here. And so normally these things, like if they're stock, they're gonna be kind of hard to get. So you might want to grab a mallet and just hit these things, pegs. There's 3 of them, but once you hit about 2 of them, you should be able to pull out of the thing. So let's get to it. And just like that, with the 2 hits of the mallet, I was able to pull these off. So. And if you want, this would be the perfect time to clean behind the tail lights. If you want, it don't matter, but it's probably best to do so. It's pretty straightforward. You just basically put it back in and make sure the wire goes through here. So, just like that, you just basically pop it back in, and you have to rehook the wire and just do everything backwards again, just like how you did the first time, just backwards. Okay, I got this one installed. Now I got to do the other one. Let me know down in the comments, do you guys like the OEM style or the Euros? Okay, I'll see you guys in the next part. I'm going to stop the other tail light and get it over with. Alright, I'm going to install the battery back in, and I'll show you guys the tail lights. Okay, I finally installed them all, both of them. So. Looking good with tail lights, pretty good. I recommend these tail lights, 10 out of 10, probably the best. I know they're kind of hard to see in the garage, but they're pretty good tail lights. Alright, that's gonna wrap today's video up, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comment section. Do you guys like the Euros or the OEM? Alright, let me know down in the comment section. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.